In this video, we'll discuss running the data preprocessing function using UnifyML SQL. Running the UnifyML data preprocessing algorithm with UnifyML query. Here, we execute the UnifyML data preprocessing function using UnifyML SQL. Let's take a look at this simple data preprocessing function. Before running the UnifyML data preprocessing, let's check the data that you are preprocessing. We'll use the length of stay table as the table name. Run this query, and it will execute in the backend of our UnifyML server. Here is the output of the hospital length stay data. Now, I'm preprocessing this data using our UnifyML function. Data preprocessing input table. Mention your required input table. Data preprocessing refers to preparing your data using our methods. Input columns. Mention the column names that are required for preprocessing. Data cleaning. Data cleaning is one of our preprocessing methods. There are 4 types of data cleaning. You can remove rows, remove duplicates, or remove outliers. If there are any null values in a row, the rows will be removed. If there are duplicate values, they will be removed. If there are any outliers, they will be removed as well. By doing this, the output will be saved to Parquet, cache will be saved, and the output cache ID will be generated. If you wish to use this clean dataset in your UnifyML functions, you can use this hospital length stay cache ID. There are a few more parameters for data preprocessing. You can refer to our UnifyML documentation. Input columns, input table, input cache ID. Instead of input table, you can use the input cache ID. Input data types. If you want to change the data type of a column, mention the input data types parameter. Number partitions. Specify the number of partitions. Partition column. Define the column for partitioning. Data cleaning methods. Fill with values if you want to fill any null values or change any data value. Save cache. Specify the output cache ID. Save to DB. If you want to save this preprocessing to the database, use the Save to DB option and provide the output table name. Overwrite output table. If the table already exists, you can choose to overwrite it with the Overwrite Output Table option. Save to CSV. If you want to save this preprocessing to a CSV file, use the Save to CSV option and provide the output CSV name. Data scaling. We offer 4 methods to scale the data: standard scaler, min-max scaler, normalizer, and binarizer. For min-max scaler, specify the minimum and maximum scaler values. Bytes per chunk, set the chunk size. These are the input arguments for UnifyML data preprocessing. Based on the requirements of your table and your specific function, you can specify your input arguments. Run this query, and it will execute in the backend of our UnifyML server. This is the output of the data preprocessing function. It shows the input table, the columns used, and the applied cleaning methods: remove rows, remove duplicates, and remove outliers. For future use, you can use this cache ID in your UnifyML functions. In this way, you can preprocess any table for use in your UnifyML functions. Thank you for watching this video.